अरुणकमलसंस्थां तत्रजः पुञ्जवर्णां करकमलधृतेष्टाभीति युग्माम्बुजातां मणिमकुटविचित्रालङ्कृतिः पद्ममालां भवतु भुवनमातां सन्ततं श्रीः श्रियै नः। ॐ लक्ष्मीं क्षीरसमुद्रराजतनयां श्रीरङ्गदामेश्वरीं दासीभूत समस्तदेववनितां लोकैकदीपाङ्कुरां श्रीमन्मन्दकटाक्षलब्ध विभव ब्रह्मेन्द्रगङ्गाधरां त्वां त्रैलोक्यकुटुम्बिनीं सरसिजां वन्दे मुकुन्दप्रियाम्। ॐ श्रीं श्रीमहालक्ष्मी देव्यै नमः। ॐ नमो नारायणाय। ॐ नमो वेङ्कटेशाय। ॐ श्रीकृष्णपरब्रह्मणे नमः। ॐ रामाय नमः। ॐ श्रीलक्ष्मीनारसिंहाय नमः। ॐ श्रीं श्रियै नमः। Embodiment of Divine Souls, Amma's beloved sweet children, welcome all of you. Very special festival day today, Dhanatrayodasi, Deepavali Amavasya, Diwali festival. Very auspicious 5 days, this very divine festival. Dhanateras is Dhanatrayodasi. Why the name came for Dhanatrayodasi? It's all the 5 days Lakshmi Narayan Puja days. Whenever people are with the abundance of devotion, unshaken faith, they started to do the puja for Mahalakshmi all the 5 days, 3 times a day. Lakshmi dwells in their home. All kinds of the health problems, financial challenges, mental commotions, everything will subside and disappear from the home. So Dhanateras, why the name come for Dhanatrayodasi? This was a beautiful story. Narakasura, he was giving very hard time, and he took all the money from the Swargam, the heavenly worlds, from the Devatas. He did lot of penance for Lakshmi. For that reason, Lakshmi completely with Narakasura. It means all the wealth was with him. Wherever wealth is there, Mahalakshmi is there, power is there, courageousness is there, Veeralakshmi. All Lakshmis are with him. So all the Devatas they miss everything, and they look like common lives, and they have no happiness like that. They are always suffering a lot of challenges. Then Mahavishnu went to Narakasura, and he controlled Narakasura. He brought Lakshmi all the way from the Narakasura. And then Mahalakshmi came along with Narayan. And what Narayan did, he have the Panchajanyam conch. With the Panchajanyam conch, wish-fulfilling cow Kamadhenu milk, and did Abhishekam to Mahalakshmi Devi on Dhanatrayodasi day. He did the Abhishekam for the Dhanalakshmi Mahasamrajyam. He did the Pattabhishekam, the crown ceremony for Mahalakshmi Devi on the Dhanateras day. So that's why it is called the Dhanatrayodasi, the first day, Dhanatrayodasi. Very beautiful. Mahalakshmi was honored by Narayan with the great Abhishekam, Pattabhishekam, with all the milk, and they brought all the holy rivers waters and all the 7 oceans waters, and the Amrita Abhishekam, milk Abhishekam. They did all the Abhishekams to Mahalakshmi, and they did the crown ceremony for Mahalakshmi. Mahavishnu did this puja to Mahalakshmi. That time onwards, Mahalakshmi called Dhanalakshmi Devi. On Dhanateras, the Dhanatrayodasi day, Vishnu Bhagavan did the puja to Dhanalakshmi to bless all the people. Each year, this Dhanateras day, Mahalakshmi comes to the Bhulokam, all our homes, and bless the people with abundance of Lakshmi's grace. Lakshmi means not only the finances, Vidya Lakshmi, education is Lakshmi, Vidya Lakshmi. Santana Lakshmi, children is Lakshmi, Santana Lakshmi. Arogya Lakshmi, Saubhagya Lakshmi, all auspicious Lakshmis. Health is very important. If people are bedridden and they have not good health, there is no mental peace. We have so much money, what is the use of that? No, mental peace is very essential. And also peace is very important in the home. Good health is very important in the home. All the things are very, very important. All these are comes from Mahalakshmi grace only. Name, fame, finances, good food, eating good food also is also a blessing of Mahalakshmi. Saubhagya Lakshmi, Arogya Lakshmi, Veera Lakshmi. So people must be very courageous, very powerful with a lot of willpower. That's called the Veera Lakshmi. So Mahalakshmi, Dhanalakshmi, the financial Lakshmi, and Mahalakshmi, she was always dwells in the at the feet of Bhagavan Mahavishnu in the Vaikuntham. There's so many Lakshmis, not one Lakshmi. All Lakshmis have to bless Dhanatrayodasi day. Mother want to come with Narayan to each home. Wherever Lakshmi pujas are going, to that home, mother want to come and bless the people there. So first day is the Dhanatrayodasi. That day we have to install the Kalasam. With the grace of Mahalakshmi, we have to do the Lakshmi Puja thrice a day. Suppose it's not possible for people, at least they have to do twice a day, morning and also evening. And then all that 5 days in the home must be very clean. It means no negative activities at all in the home. I think you understand. So always only mantra japam, Vishnu Sahasranam Parayan, Lakshmi Devi Puja, all the things we have to do. Offer some prasadams to Mahalakshmi Devi. We have to pray Lakshmi Devi for the blessing of your progress in the home and in your businesses, your children, their good health, their positivity, their education, everything. Tuning with all the family members is very, very important. So then if you have nothing in the hand also, if all your people around you are tuning with you, you are a blessed person. So that is also very important for the spiritual aspirants. My dear sweet children, after Dhanateras, next day is the Naraka Chaturdasi. Krishna Puja, Vishnu Puja, Narayan Puja, people have to do Vishnu Sahasranam Puja and Venkateswara Swami Sahasranam Puja. All the Vishnu concept, Ram Bhagavan Puja, mainly Krishna Puja. People are doing the mainly Krishna Puja for the Diwali time. And then Naraka Chaturdasi, Deepavali Amavasya. Diwali Amavasya, that is the new moon day, Diwali. We have in yearly 12 new moons comes. All the 11 new moons are very dark, pitch dark. We are not able to see anything outside. But Diwali Amavasya, the new moon, complete is like a full moon day, beautiful. Everywhere lamps and a lot of people are happy. They wear new dresses, they cook lot of sweets and Lakshmi Puja they did. The entire night they never sleep at all because waiting for Lakshmi's arrival to the home. So everybody was sitting and doing the mantra japams and Lakshmi Pujas and reading some scriptures. They never sleep at all, completely doing puja there. Bhajans also there. Lot of bhajans are going, Ram bhajan, Hanumanji bhajan, all the bhajans are going, mainly Krishna bhajans. People are doing 5 days Krishna bhajans, very auspicious. Amma's beloved sweet children, Mahalakshmi Puja is very, very auspicious. Chanting Samputita Sri Suktam twice a day is very, very important. At least 1,000 times you have to do the Lakshmi Narayan Mantram. That is very, very powerful that day. If anybody not doing everyday Lakshmi Puja, these 5 days, the 5 days if you are not able to do the puja, at least you have to do new moon day, evening, night, Lakshmi Puja. And health is very important, what I am thinking. All the time we got so many children's messages, health problems, mainly health problems, they're suffering so much. I was very concerned about all my children, good health. And second one is the mental peace. People are suffering with loneliness and people have no mental peace. Of course, they have everything, and there is no mental peace at all. Lakshmi have to bless my children with abundance of mental peace and with good health and prosperity and their children's bright future, abundance of happiness in the home. So we lit the lamp. Lamp brought all the way light to our life. So we put so many lamps. Diwali means so many lamps, groups and groups of lamps. So many lamps we put everywhere in the entire home. That gives you lot of light in the home. What about the light in our home, in our body home? Whenever we have anger, jealous and negative instincts in the mind, there is no light at all. The light is peace in the heart. The light is bhakti. The light is happiness. The light is contentment. The light is loving other people. And your compassion is also greatest light in your heart. We need all the lamps in our heart. Then we are completely inside, always 24 hours, 365 days, we have Diwali inside. That kind of Diwali I am expecting from my babies. So this day, you have to wake up early in the morning, take shower, do the Lakshmi Devi Puja, Samputita Sri Suktam, and with the flowers you have, if you get lotus flowers are very auspicious. Suppose you never get the lotus flowers, you get the lotus seeds, I think. With the lotus seeds, if you do the Sri Chakra Lakshmi Puja, it is very, very powerful. Abundance of Lakshmi's grace you will get by doing the puja with the lotus seeds. 1,000 lotus seeds with the Lakshmi mantra. So split the mantra. Morning 400 times you have to do. Afternoon 300 times. Evening 300 times. 1,000 times. That's why you have to split the mantra, means not cut the mantra. You have to do the complete mantra, but the 1,000 times you have to 400 times in the morning, 300 times in the afternoon, 300 times in the evening. Like that you have to do the mantra, get the grace of Mahalakshmi. Abundance of grace of Mahalakshmi must be pouring on your hearts and on your life for all your entire family. I love you so much. Thank you so much, children. Love you so much from the bottom of my heart, again and again. Have a great Diwali for all of you. Love you. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.